prepare for
Because I already
everything
have
in this
asked
material
you
world. Because that's
that
why
question.
everything is against. Why? Because everybody do not understand.
ID, let's kanang define. What
Fine.
preparation or what needs of your family are you preparing? Physical, spiritual, or something para makasinabot ka?
Mo gani.
Mo lagi, I mean, inya own definition ba?
Hindi, ang akong engagement.
Kaya,
Spiritual.
mamatay sa amin before may maka-attain sa spiritual.
Do not talk of that yan.
Dili ka
Okay,
makaya,
wala-
okay,
wala man
that's
sa-
what in your heart, in your heart.
Okay.
So
Wala
if,
man
if, if,
paypan,
if,
wala man
you have
paypan.
prepared for them something else,
Oh, ganun na.
you should have inform them or kanang orient them.
So, ang sitwasyon na to ron, ang debate na to ron, kung
Ako paligyan nga ito paligyan.
Na-briefing na may anak eh. Naka-briefing.
ang sitwasyon na to ron,
Ano naman ikon lang ay akira. Call me,
ako chat dili.
Sige lang.
So, at this point in time, have prepared their spiritual needs, no? As I've said earlier.
So in a way, no, you can say nga si Nap og si Clito is fully prepared.
Hindi, ang akong istorya, meron silang, ang tanang anak mo, nanay preparasyon tanan.
Prepare na iya. Mas mabinuang sila. Sana sila yung spiritual.
Wala na problema tanan. Ang problema na lang mga bata,
So
material lang.
whether they do things bad or good in this world,
That
it
is
doesn't,
material
it will
words
not,
discussion.
why, it will not matter sa imong preparation himo sa ila.
Mo na iya hangkuan. Mo na iya hangkuan.
Hindi, mana akong pangutanan na mo
Sa
lang.
may preparation is bad and good.
Ang bad and good. If you do not like, that is bad. If you like, that's good. Ang gusto niyo mo lang. Tara. Pagkabot mo Davao, ko is maribel diri sa Davao. Mora na ako gusto.
Pero,